guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve internal question. Write a Lagrange's interpolation method algorithm. Okay, so we write a Lagrange's interpolation formula. Y is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus xn terms and divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and iterate the x0 minus xn into y0 plus x minus x0 x minus x2 and into x minus nth term and divided by x1 minus x2 x0 x1 minus x2 and in the x minus nth term x minus x nth term into y1. So we write this formula in another form. Y is equal to L0 of x and y0 plus y L1 x y1 plus L2 x y y2 in the nth term. So we write L0 L1 L in the nth term. So we write Li of x. So Li here is x minus x1 x minus x2 x minus xn into y of 0. So this term is we convert Li of x. So we write Li of x in another type of formula. Li of x is equal to pi of j is not equal to 0 and I and j is not equal to nth term and x minus xj divided by xi minus xj into y of I. Okay, so we write the algorithm for the Lagrange's interpolation method. So first of all we read x and end. Okay, write a for loop I is equal to 0 to n plus 1 in a step of 1 do and read xi and f of I. Okay, so we take we initialize sum is equal to 0 and for I is equal to n, for I is equal to 1 to n plus 1 in a step of 1 do and we assign a product. Okay, we assign a product function is equal to 1. Product function is here Li of x is a product function. So now we iterate j loop. J is equal to 1 to n plus 1 in step to 1 do, and if j is not equal to I, then we write a product function is equal to product function into x minus xj divided by xi minus xj into y of n, and we end of the for loop. Okay, now we sum. First of all, we iterate the sum is equal to 0. The sum is equal to sum plus f of I into product function. F of I here is f of I. In the formula, you see in the formula f of I is a y of 0, y of 0, y of 1, y of 2. So I iterate the y of nth term. Okay, so here we write sum plus y of f of I into product function, and we end of the for loop and write x and some value. Okay, and in the last step we stop the algorithm. Okay, how to write a Lagrange's interpolation method algorithm. Thank you guys watching my YouTube channel.